Hello, my name is Erica Simon. I am a biologist by education, but I only worked for 1 year in that field. After moving to the USA, I was finding it really hard to find a job as a biologist due to my lack of experience. And also, the demand for biologists wasn't very high in the area where I resided. So I faced a career change challenge: what profession to choose, what would be the first steps, where to apply. I was thinking about a career as a hairdresser, but the training was long and expensive, and the average salary for a hairdresser didn't inspire me. I was dreaming of a stable, well-paid job in an office. And then my husband suggested trying software testing. After reading different articles about software testing, I found that it was very interesting. You're supposed to find the mistake in other people's work. That's funny, isn't it? Besides, software testing is one of the most in-demand occupations in the USA, and I could learn the profession without any technical background. So I started exploring different software testing classes, and while selecting among the different training programs, I was taking into consideration a few main criteria: short duration of the program, in-class and offline learning process, and a good school reputation. Learnix Center turned out to be a very good match. The program designed by Learnix Center was truly a unique 3-month course designed by IT professionals with more than 20 years experience in the field. A great advantage was a team of teachers with deep knowledge of the profession and the ability to quickly teach us all the secrets of testing. The learning materials were easy to understand, and we were always welcome to contact our instructors and clarify any difficult or tricky moments. During that short 3 months, I got a solid knowledge and hands-on experience in software testing. And a month and a half after graduation, I got my first job as a software tester, and now I have my dream office job. Big thanks to Learnix Center and their team for helping me build my career.